How do you create the perfect hairdo? At Jordan Thomas Salon and Spa, they've come up with a formula that keeps customers coming back for more.
I can't wait. Every 5 weeks I come up here.
I just come all the way up from Towson.
I've been coming for a long time, so I'm going to stay here.
The ingredients? A snip here, a dash of hairspray there, and smiles everywhere.
I love it. Everybody's friendly, nice.
Kind, conscientious.
The time just kind of flies.
Although the salon hires stylists who know their way around a pair of scissors,
it's about that much of the hair and that much of relationships.
And just like any relationship, well, not everyone is perfect for each other. Starting a business is one thing. The challenge is finding employees who can make the cut. Terry McGill started this business from the ground up and credits her current success with a 6-month trial that all 70 of her employees have to go through.
It's not easy. It takes time.
And when someone doesn't work well in the environment,
sometimes you just have to fire them.
She's not just talking about her employees.
Nobody wants to let their clients go, but sometimes you just gotta say, I don't think we're making you happy.
Basically, if you can't treat people with kindness, then you can take that attitude to another store.
It really is. Sometimes you gotta protect your people.
Because as much as we'd like to believe that we all do the right thing, not everyone treats others equally. Like how they treat the front desk and the laundry clerks or the shampoo techs.
And sometimes people think that they can talk down to them, and I don't think that's very cool.
What Terry's left with is a loyal fan base of customers
Thank you.
and coworkers.
She's great. I just love her to death. I really do.
Love it. Love working for her.
It's worth every penny.
Friendly faces, conversation, and equal treatment. You won't find them on the menu because they're given out for free. Sarah Bryce, Bel Air, Maryland.